Okay, students, it's time for your English tip of the week.
English is crazy. Now, the expression God bless you or bless you, we say when someone sneezes. Achoo! God bless you or bless you. Both are okay. But why do we do this? Today, we're going to take a look at why we say bless you or God bless you after you sneeze. Now, one of the reasons was because of the bubonic plague that hit Rome during the medieval times. That was a pandemic. That was a time just like the coronavirus pandemic that we are experiencing now. The Pope at the time, now the Pope is the head of the Catholic Church, he told all citizens of Rome to pray. Prayer will help them during their pandemic. And people at that time thought a sneeze, achoo, was a very bad symptom of the virus. So when people sneezed, their fellow citizens were very worried, and they said, God bless you. And since people of the day thought a sneeze was a symptom of the plague, they would say, God bless you, and that was like, good luck. And I hope you don't get this virus. That's what God bless you means. And now you know why English is so crazy.